All right. We're back. We are back. Okay, what were we talking about? I don't know what we were talking about. Let's go over here and make sure everything's working all right. Yeah, my computer just it's just stopped working. So that's nice. That's fun. Okay. So, what do we got? We were doing the bear debate thingy. That's what we were talking about. Okay, we're back. Good. The chat's working. Yeah, all right, here we go. Yeah, we started going up since we were off stream. Should we end the stream? Where it looks like we're going up when we're not on the stream for some reason. Say some good stuff. We're gonna moon, baby. Let's go to the moon. Yeah, let's go buy the dip. YOLO it. No, not really. Well, I do think we are. Quarter earnings. I think quarter earnings is gonna be good, but I could be wrong. We're back, baby. Yes, we're back. Hell yeah, we're back. We're back. My big ass forehead. You are not done with my big ass forehead yet, my friends. 720 right now. 90K buy wall, $7. 90K share buy wall, $7. Love it. End the stream so we can go up. Oh man. Let me check the short interest data. Let me see if we got an update here. What the? No. Okay. What happened to the stream? My laptop not working. I'm telling y'all, my laptop was gonna blow up one of these days. I swear to God, CPU does pretty well, but it's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up. All right. So the news for today. To recap today, what do we got? Right, a surprise stream. We're gonna end the. I think we're gonna end the stream here pretty soon. But we had a good little thing going before we had actually. It's for such a bad day. We actually have had not that bad of a stream. It seems like I don't know. Anyways, the short interest data, right? So that's what's the big thing today. We don't actually have the official information yet, but according to this, is not the best source possible. And because I just restarted that, I got to run this program real quick. Hold on, I got to double click this real quick. Okay, boom. Now we're good to go. All right, so right here, not Zoom, God, 21% short interest of the free float currently sold short, right? So you're looking at 58 million shares, and that is why we're down today. I think that is why we're down. The PacBio news, I guess some people have been saying Jay is very smart. Jay is smart. He's been with the channel for a while. He thinks that's kind of why. I'm not really worried about that. I'm not really worried about that at all. But, you know, it is what it is. So maybe it doesn't matter if it actually matters. It just matters if other people think it matters, right? At the end of the day, the stock is just what people want it to be, right? The stock is just what people think it's valued at, right? We need to stamp a BNGO tattoo straight into your big forehead so we can move. There's certainly enough space for it. Yeah, man. So today, let me check out the markets. We haven't even checked out the broader markets at all today, really. So the Russell is now green, and Bionano is not really following suit at all. That's cool. Not really. That's awful. The NASDAQ is red. The UVXY index is actually down, which is very interesting. This is actually, I don't want you guys to call me a sellout, or, you call me whatever you want, but this is actually, I've actually been considering buying this as a hedge against the market and inflation and what I think might happen with the government and shit and what people think about the policies. Maybe. I want this to go lower, though. 722 right now. We're about 4% down. AMC's kind of cooling down right here. But Bionano is slowly but surely just barcoding its way up higher, 1 cent higher, 1 cent lower, and then it makes 2 cents higher. Slowly but surely, it's making its way up. Will 710 be the low of the day? I don't know. What is your price prediction by end of Friday? I think it's likely that we'll trade in between the range that we have and $7 to $8. It's gonna take. I think it will take a big, not necessarily a big news release. Just it's gonna take something crazy for us to break out below 7 or 8. I think, and maybe it is gonna be news that has to happen. Maybe we're gonna trade in between $7 and $8 until earnings. Maybe it just depends on high growth. It probably does just depend on high growth, honestly, but. I think it's likely that we trade in between $7 and $8. We did not hit the. I set a price target of 872, 873 this weekend, and it looks like so far I've been completely. I guess we could still hit that technically, but it's been completely wrong. You know, we broke out the descending wedge. It looked like we were going to do what we were supposed to, and then just fake out, and that's what we're dealing with right now. So. It's not what you want to see. It's not what you want to see at all. And I have, you know, technically I did say whatever. Okay, you guys know the deal. Anyways, 5-minute chart. It's not looking as bad as you may think, because we just got the 5-minute bullish flip on the SAR, and that's the first thing you need before you make a new intraday high. So maybe we're about to test 750. Maybe we're about to test 730. We'll see. Maybe 710 is the low of the day. I don't know. We'll see. From the technical standpoint, though, we're breaking down. Okay, from the technical standpoint, long term, midterm, it's not it's not good. It's not good. We're breaking down below the 21 SMA, and that's not what you want. Whole market up again, BNGO staying behind. No, that's not true. That's not true. High growth is down. No, that's not true at all, my friend. High growth is getting killed today. I mean, I wouldn't say this is actually getting killed. I wouldn't say it's decimation, not quite, but I would say that this is high growth getting hurt by and large, right? There's not that many stocks that are green. I mean, it's like half and half, maybe a little bit more red than green on my high growth watch list. And if you look at the markets, the Nasdaq is red, dude. The SPY and the Russell are barely green, right? The Dow is up, but who cares? Who gives a shit about the Dow? Am I right? The Dow, who cares? So it's not like everything is up and Bionano is the only one that's down. No, absolutely not. The biggest two competitors, not competitors, but the biggest two things that Bionano moves with, Nano Dimension and Microvision, they're both down as well. So yeah, but we're going to end the stream here pretty soon. All right. Pat Bio, everyone. Does this look like a small cup and handle? Yes. Yes, it does. I was actually going to say that. I don't know if I did or not because I forget things. But yeah, this does look like it definitely could be a cup and handle. It's the start of one, that's for sure. It could even be something like this. It could be a really steep one like this, hopefully. Right? Let's hope for that. But I would settle for this as well. You know, either one. 8 would be lovely by end of week. It would be. That it would be. Certainly. I'm hoping, what's his name? The bearish guy. What's his name? Josh Baker, I think. I want him to come back in and tell me his bearish argument, because we had a serious bear saying we're overvalued and all this stuff, and he didn't really respond to what I had to say. So stop yawning. I don't know what I was gonna say. They are all 1 to 2%. We are 4 to 6%. That's what I mean. Well. High growth. Well, you have to remember, Bionano is not. I mean, it's technically it's like these. It's technically it is likely like these stocks. That's the sector that it's in, but we're not like them really, because Bionano is a high growth thing. Bionano is cheaper than all these other things, right? By market cap and share price, I believe, or at least there may be a few that are similar to market cap, but Bionano's got the smallest market cap out of all these, I think, or at least one, or maybe not. Well, I don't know. Maybe at least one of the smallest. Okay. And we move more with high growth than any of these other stocks. And the fact is, a lot of high growth is down. So that's what I would say for that. All right, it's all good. We will soon go up to 10. Hope so. Its only argument was current revenue, and that 10 years is a long time in a fast-changing market. Hot and handleable. All right, boys. I say we do last-minute boys and girls. I say last-minute questions, then let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Last minute questions. Let's get out. All right. Because this is just, I mean, I don't know. There's no news. Let's check the institutional filings. Let's check the Twitter, see if there's anything new. I don't think there is. Let's check this. I haven't actually checked this today, which is weird. I usually check this every freaking day. 29 Apple. Yeah, there's no new ones here, I don't think. Let me make sure. No new listings. Nope. Shop big tire, Brandon. Come on. Let's go run. Go to the beach. Is it also hot there? We need to go Super Saiyan. Oh, yeah. What do you call it? Mark. I was going to send Mark. Mark is going to analyze the patents. He's going to get a patent attorney to determine the value of the patents. I hope he does that. That's awesome if he does that. Does anyone know his email? Actually, I can probably find his email right now. You can probably find his email on his YouTube if you put it in there. All right. Last minute questions. Let's get out. Let's get out of here. Bionano 720. It's boring. It's boring. It's barcoding still. AMC. Even AMC. I mean, AMC is cool because, I can't complain because, it's my average is I'm now in the green now. But this is even AMC is relatively boring. So, welcome back. Did you see the new Ortex data posted on ST? On StockTwits, I did see this. This was a while ago, but yeah, it is insanity. 21%. No one cares about this now because it's like, oh, Brandon, you say the short interest every day is bullish and we go down every day. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I mean, there's a squeeze possibility. Does it mean we're going to go up for sure right now? Not necessarily. I've never said it was, but, you know, it is bullish. I think it is at least. Okay, well, here's the thing. It's bullish if we go up. If we go down, the short interest being super high, it's not really going to help us. At the fundamental level, having a high short interest is good at the present, not in the past. In the past, it might be bad, but in the present and the future, it's good because our valuation is suppressed by short sellers more than it would be if we had a normal short interest, right? It was 60 million this morning. 60 million? This is showing 58 million, not 57, or not 59. 60 million is even more insane. What the? Okay. 720 right now, 4.5% down. I'm waiting on good smoking trees and waiting for it to go up. R2D2, you're a legend, by the way. All right, let's get out of here. Here's the portfolio. All right, if anyone has the short interest Ortex data, I would love to see it. If anyone doesn't know the short borrow fee rate by now, I hope you would know it, but it is insanity. It is literally insanity. Oh, I didn't even know it increased. Oh, I don't even have the energy to yell again. I'm actually starting to get a small headache, but because I think I haven't drank water since the stream started. I'm going to, but 21% short borrow fee rate. This just was 4% on the 24th. It's not even been a week, and this thing has like almost quadrupled. It has quadrupled. Yeah. Well, no. Almost. Can't do my math. All right, thank y'all so much. Let's show the portfolio. Let's get out of here. All right. I know it keeps going up, and wonder why the price is going down. Shorts are doing everything they can, and they cannot keep it up. They just can't. The time is on the bull side, in my opinion. All right, thank y'all so much. Here's the portfolio. AMC, hopefully he's going to do well. BNGO, hopefully he's going to do well. Hopefully high growth does as well. Rest of the day. Russell is doing well. Let's see if high growth will follow the rest of the day. Anyways, we'll be streaming later today. With that being said, tomorrow we squeeze in. I hope so. I hope so, my friends. Anyways, with that being said, it's not financial advice. I will see y'all. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one.